Hi April. To answer your question, I thought it might be easier just to go ahead and do another video. So the dormer does go on both sides. So this is the north side of the house. And we are constrained by the design of the existing roof. So your question about whether or not there will be enough headroom, um, there are going to be points where it gets kind of tight. So you have this roof here, and this can have windows in it, but when we go inside, let me see here. Again, this is just a rough model. This will look a lot cleaner here pretty soon. Yeah, the roof is diving off, and as I said, we could do built-ins over here, and this bed actually needs to be moved over, and that window might not be as big as I have it. But yeah, it's going to get kind of tight here, and this window I'd probably shrink down a little bit. There are ways to give more headroom, and actually this is not correct. This needs to delete right here. Yeah, so right here it will pop up because of the dormer. So I'm sorry, that doesn't make sense as you looked at it before, because I didn't finish that. So let me put the eyes on this. So you'll have this kind of little area that's built out here, and there can be a window right here, similar to what we have going on over here for the stairwell. This is, basically the same thing on each side. So the way to make that bigger would be to bring this wall out, this particular wall right here. Let me show you what that would look like. So we just basically move this out, and as we move that out, we could bring it all the way out to this edge even if we wanted to, but in order to do that, this roof is going to have to get bigger. And at a certain point, this thing just kind of starts becoming massive. So I'm also being confined by how much we're popping out right here. I'm trying to leave this kind of somewhat open too. I didn't want to kind of block in this whole area. I envisioned maybe stairs coming off down here, right down here. And then as far as the other stuff you sent me, yeah, I'm glad to do all of that conceptual work and I'll go to work on it. But let me know what your thoughts are here. If we want to make this roof bigger, if you want more headroom. Obviously, as the further we go this way, the taller the ridge moves up. And right now we're at like 21 feet, I think, or something like that. Let me see. No, we're at 25 feet, so it's already getting pretty tall. It's a real two-story building at that point. So as I refine the model, it's going to get easier to see exactly how much room we have. It is quite a bit of space. It does get a little tight over here, but it's not going to feel like a real small space like the loft over here because we have the dormer. Yeah, sorry for the roughness, but as you sign off on this design, I'll clean it up and give you a really nice looking model. I just don't want to spend too much time on an idea that's not going anywhere. Let me know your thoughts.